Welcome to all. So today we will learn about a file permissions. So here, today we will discuss file permissions. So in earlier lecture also, let's just recapping here. So we will see hyphen D, L, C, and B. We called a file directory, soft link, character file, and block file. These are the meaning. So let me show you the output here parallelly. So here, so ls hyphen L here. So right now nothing is here. So let me go somewhere where I will get some file here. Okay, so now you can see here. So we have executed ls-l. So that lectures I told you that time we can learn later about these things. Okay, so today we will learn about these things here. So mainly we will learn this part today. Okay, this is the main part we will learn today. And that time I also told it means your user and it means your group. Okay, so in upcoming lecture we will learn more about that. So today our main focus on file permission part. These are the file or directory permissions. So we will learn file or directory permissions. So now the meaning here, D here you see a first here. So these are the first here I have mentioned here. Hyphen means your normal file, D means directory, soft link, L means C means character file or block file. So now here you are able to see how many these are total 9 fields. These are total 9 fields. Let me make it here. So let me make it, this is a one field, there's a 3, and let me change a color, and here next 3, and let me take it a next 3. Okay, so now let's understand the meanings. First is using for a user. Second permission is using for a group. Third is using for a other. So here you will see R means read only. So R means read. W means write. X means execute. That is a meaning. And these are the octal values that you need to remember it. R is equal to 4, W is equal to 2, and X is equal to 1. So these are the values that we need to remember it. Okay. So now, if you want to calculate here the file permissions, so let's calculate here. So first, this is a RW hyphen, and hyphen is equal to 0, null. Okay, so hyphen means null, nothing, there is no value, means 0 equal to 0. So now you will see here RW hyphen. So what is the value of R? 4. What is the value of W? 2. What is the value of hyphen? 0. 4 to 6. So 6 goes to for user, is for user. Now let's calculate for a group here. Group R value is equal to 4 here, plus hyphen hyphen, that is a 0 0. It means 4. Group means 4. Group means 4 octal value. Okay, so now let's come on the last part here. So here same as like here. So it is using for a other, and 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. It means the value, if I calculate as a octal value complete, it is making 6 4 4. So we can read the value here. So here read and write, read, read. So if I say user having a read and write others having only read, a group having a read, and others having a read. Total value is a 644. So 644 is the octal value here. Let's read for one more directory. So I'm reading here the value. So now let's say now here I make it again here, and let me take this color and here, and now let me take this one. Okay, so it's like same story. D represent here directory. Okay, here it is represent user. Now it is represent your group, and last one is represent your other. Now let's read here permissions. So please help me here. I want to calculate here. Please help someone. What is the value of R? Can you help, please? Anyone?
R is 4.
Correct. What is the value of 2? W?
2. 2, 2.
Correct. Plus 2. I'm using plus 2. Okay. And what is the value of execute?
1.
1.
So total is 7. It means we got a 7 value for a user. Now, please help me for a group now. R is equal to 4.
4.
And after that hyphen is there, right? So hyphen is null, 0.
0.
Okay. X is
And
there,
1.
plus 1. So total is 5. So now I got group here, value 5. Okay. Now, please help me here also. That is 4
4.
plus 0 plus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
Read, null, and execute 5. Now, the others values came here 5. So now this is octal value. So octal value for this directory having a 755. So here was we learned 644. Here we learned 755. So all our others are the same here. Okay, so like that we can calculate the values. And if you want to change any permission, we are using a ch mode. Let's say you want to change here the value. Let's say you want to give a full permission. That a full permission is this one. It's a full permission for a directory. Let's say AV is the directory. AV. I can give it. It will goes to full permissions. So let's learn these things here. Let me change now. Now we have learned these things. Now ch more. Okay, it is inactive. So let me make a duplicate. Now let me change the value here. Ch mode, and I want to give a full permission now for a directory. Let me use a AV. Now let's see LRT here. Now I can see full permission came in the pictures here. Okay, let me give a full permission for a file. Ch mode 666 and file name. Let's take a file name file2. So ls-lrt. So we can see file2 having a full permissions. Now see 666 came in pictures. Okay, so now let's understand one more things here. Here I have used a chmod 777 for a directory. I used chmod 666 for a file too. Why? Actually, for directory, always executable. Always executable. If directory have a no executable permission, you can't open your directory or folder. Same as like in a Windows also. Normal file permission is always it is your full permissions. Full permissions. Okay. If any file that having a full permission, like you can see in your binary files or your script, there you will find out 777. That is not a normal file. I am saying about a normal file. Full permission for normal file. If you have an executable file, let me show you one executable file. Any here, ls-l, and let me show you /bin, and let's take any command here, df. So now you can see, read the permissions here. I said file never be executable, but here you see executable. What? It is not a normal file now. It is not a normal, it is your executable binary. Executable binary. Normal file never be executed. If you have removed execute from your directory, then you can't. If you did cd space directory, it will say permission denied. Permission denied without execute. Without execute. Okay, so execute must be for a directory. So you need to remember here. So let me show you example as well also. So now here, so let me create a one directory here. Already directory is here. So this is a directory here. Okay, so ls-lrt. So what I will do, I will make a full permission 666 for a directory one. Okay, directory one 666. Okay, now you can see ld and the dir1. Okay, now I'm a root, I can switch. Okay, but let me log in as a normal user now. Okay, so I can test as a normal user because I have given a other having a read and write only. Okay, so I'm a other, so I went here again, and let me show you here ls-lrt. Okay, so ls-lrt, let me do cddir, sorry, here cddir1, right? This I have given. So now permission denied. Okay, even I have given a full permission, but that is I have given a file, not for directory. Okay, so even I am not able to enter here. So what I will do, let me exit here, and let me change the permission. Let me given the execute permission. I can give the execute permission here plus x also. Okay, plus x I can also here, I can give it here, or I can give here full like 6. I'm a other, right? I'm a other because user a, okay, it's a test. User is a test here. Okay, user is a test here, and okay, so let me given for a other here. Suppose let's suppose if it is a other, or you can give here. So let me give it 6, 6 and 7 here, or let's give only 4. I'm giving a 4. I just need execute 4. I need to give at least 5 here, 5 and dir1 here. So now check it here, ls-ld and dir1 here. Now read and execute having a permission for here, but as a user, I am a user, I don't have execute permission. So now let's check it. Now let's test it again as test here, and let me do cddir dir1. So now permission denied, again it's giving because I'm a part of this user. First it is a first priority, so let me change for priority here. So let me changing the here. Now ch mode, I'm giving this time x for all, okay, or I'm not giving, just give me only 5, and I will make it a 6 and 6. Okay, at least I'm giving a 5, and now let me give a dir 1 here. Okay, now let me log in here. Now let me right now I'm here, pwd I'm here, and lrt, let me try to go inside this directory. Now you can see I'm able to. So without executable permission, I can't. Even I have a read permission here, I don't have a write permission. If I try to create any file here, I'm a owner, but I can't create it here. So I'm a owner, I can change here because I'm a owner. Okay, who's the owner here? I'm a owner. Test is a user. This test is the owner. So test user can make it here 7, and it can make it a 5. It make it a, and let me change it dir1. So okay, I'm inside here. Now I'm able to change because I'm owner. So okay, so now I can change it. Okay, so now I can go inside a dir1, and here I want to create any file. Let me create any file. Now I'm able to create here. So what is the difference between both the file and directories? So 777 is the full permission for a directory. 666 is the full permission for a file. And why is executable? The reason is here. Even in Windows also, everywhere. So directory always executable. Always executable.